Hey guys, how's it going? Now, a lot of us are shifting to Windows 11 or just buying a new PC that comes with Windows 11. And while it comes with a lot of features that Microsoft is offering, one thing that Microsoft does not offer, unlike Apple, is a good Office suite on their PCs. I mean, there should be one inbuilt, right? But Microsoft is hell-bent on asking you to pay for a licensed copy. Well, not everyone wants to do that, right? So fret not, in today's video, I'll be talking about the top 5 free Office apps that you can use on your Windows machine that are the perfect free alternatives to Microsoft Office. So whether it's docs, spreadsheets, or presentations, these apps can do it all. So without wasting any time, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and let's get started. Alright, so before I begin with the full list, here's a small heads up. If you're a basic user who just needs an Office app to view or do slide editing of your documents, I would strongly suggest using a web app instead. You have free solutions in the form of Google's Office Suite as well as Microsoft's Office Web. Of course, the features there are limited in comparison to a full-fledged Office suite, but for most folks, especially if you're a student, you can easily just use those web apps and finish most of your tasks. The links to both the suites is down there in the description box, so go ahead and check that out as well. Alright, so like we said, we need a free Office app. Free Office. Well, yeah, that's the name of the first app on this list, Free Office. The suite itself is fully compatible with all Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint formats. This means that you can not only view, but save files in formats such as DocX, XLX, and PPTX. It also supports older file types such as PPT and XLS. Now, one interesting option that you get here is that you can customize whether you want a ribbon menu or a classic toolbar. Not only does this suit everyone's taste, but it also makes the migration process for people who are still using dated versions of Microsoft Office a whole lot easier. Next up, if you're someone who loves to install open source software on their Windows 11 PC, you're going to love OpenOffice. OpenOffice comes from the house of Apache and uses the open document format. You get the same compatibility as MS Office, a slightly tweaked interface, and pretty much everything you have come off to expect from an Office suite. Now, one issue here is that I noticed the standard templates are kind of lackluster. So if you're someone who usually takes a look at the templates for inspiration, this might not be it. But then again, for most of the folks out there, OpenOffice still works very well. Now, a more improved version of OpenOffice is LibreOffice. In fact, a lot of developers actually left OpenOffice to work on LibreOffice. This just goes to show how much of an improved product LibreOffice is. Now, unlike most Office suites out there that only offer 3 alternative software to Microsoft, LibreOffice has Writer, Calci, Impress, Draw, Base, Math, and Charts. It feels like a premium alternative to Microsoft Office, except that this is a free solution and open source. Now, this also means that there's a wide community supporting the project. As such, if you ever run into any trouble, help is just a couple of clicks away. Also, as you can already see, the software resembles Microsoft Office almost perfectly, and with full-fledged file compatibility, switching from Microsoft to LibreOffice will be easy for most users. Alright, so I did mention using web apps at the start of this video, but I also mentioned that they are usually quite limited. Now keep in mind that I use the word usually because the next one that I have for you is OnlyOffice, which is a free office on the web, which is basically full of features. Like literally, there's no limiting factor here. And technically speaking, they do have a desktop app available too. Now OnlyOffice offers an interface that's similar to MS Office, which makes it super intuitive. When you launch the tool, you get a tab that shows the editors on the side with a list of all the files that you've created. It's easy to access and well thought out. Additionally, you can even upload your own files and start working on them using OnlyOffice, and the service supports all major Office file formats. In fact, we have a dedicated video talking about OnlyOffice, which you can check out from the link below. Lastly, if you own a smartphone, which I'm sure a lot of you guys already do, you must have heard about WPS Office. Thankfully, they have a free Office suite for your Windows 11 PC as well. Now, the way it works is easy. You get 3 apps: Writer, Presentation, and Spreadsheets. You also get a PDF reader inside the suite. And the free suite also offers 1 GB of cloud storage, so there's that. You get compatibility with all of Microsoft's formats and no issues. Also, the company has worked on making the software lightweight, so even potato PCs can run it. Now, the free version does come with ads, but most of it is bundled software that you can check off while installing. And well, that was it. As always, you can find the download links to all the apps that I talked about down in the description box. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.